How to change ringtone on BOTIM app. This tutorial shows you how to set a new ringtone for BOTIM calls on your Android device. First, open the BOTIM app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines or menu icon in the top left corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the menu options. Now, scroll down until you find the Notifications or Sounds section. Moving forward, tap on Notifications and Sounds to access ringtone settings. Afterwards, look for the option called Call Ringtone or Incoming Call Ringtone. In addition to that, tap on Call Ringtone to view available ringtone options. Once there, you'll see a list of default ringtones available in the BOTIM app. Subsequently, you can browse through the ringtones and tap on each one to preview how it sounds. Moreover, select the ringtone you prefer by tapping on it. Afterwards, if you want to use a custom ringtone from your device, look for the option called Choose from Device or Custom Ringtone. Then, tap on it to browse your phone's ringtone library or music files. Within your file manager, navigate to the folder where your custom ringtone is saved. Alternatively, you can select ringtones from your Music, Downloads, or Ringtones folder. Once you've found the ringtone you want, tap on it to select it. Then, tap Done or Save to apply your new ringtone for BOTIM calls. And that's it! If this BOTIM ringtone customization guide helped you personalize your calling experience, give it a like, subscribe for more BOTIM and messaging app tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay informed. See you in the next one.